welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to do a DIY hair treatment, please keep watching. It says this treatment is for frizzy hair, dry hair, and colored hair. The benefits of this treatment says it controls split ends, prevents breakage, adds shine, controls dandruff, and nourishes your scalp. Make sure you do this treatment at least once a week, that way you get better results. You put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you mix it all together. Make sure you brush your hair everywhere. Wrap a towel around your back. Get a clip and section your hair. Make sure your hair is a little bit wet. Then add the olive oil and brown sugar to your hair. Put it all over your scalp. That way you're also exfoliating the scalp. Make sure you're also massaging your scalp. Just keep adding water. That way the brown sugar will be able to stick onto your hair. I have very thick hair, so it's taking me a while to do my hair. Just make sure it's everywhere in your scalp and all the way to the ends of your hair. Another good thing about this is you can exfoliate your lips with the brown sugar and olive oil. Next, you get a clip and just clip your hair. Then cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely feel a difference. When I was rinsing out my hair, you can tell that it was very silky and soft. Just make sure you put only 1 tablespoon of the olive oil, no more than that. Because as I was mixing the brown sugar, I felt like I needed to add more, but I didn't. I just kept it to 1 tablespoon. And the consistency felt different. It doesn't feel like any other mask that you use. Like, it doesn't feel creamy. It doesn't feel like coconut oil. So when I put it on my hair, it didn't feel like it was gonna work, because all you feel is the brown sugar. You don't feel the oil. And I felt like it wasn't going all over, but I made sure it did. That's why I sectioned out my hair. And when I rinsed off the oil and sugar, it felt very soft, and I was able to feel the oil then. Just make sure you shampoo your hair twice, just to get rid of all the oil that's in your scalp and on the ends of your hair. And then after that, you just do the regular conditioner you have. That's it. So let's see how this looks and feels when my hair is dry. Here it is. My hair is dry now. I didn't style it. I didn't put any products in it, just because I wanted to see how it would look and how it would feel. And to be honest, it does feel different. You just have to do this treatment at least once a week, and then you'll notice a bigger difference. My hair feels a lot softer up here, but it's still dry on the ends because I do have split ends, and I did color process my hair, so that's why it's still dry, but it is going to take a few times for my hair to get better. Try this at home. I hope it helps. I know we're all stuck here, so we can't go to salons to get our hair treated. So try this at home, brown sugar and olive oil. I have more hair videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Let me know more ideas. Some of you already told me some ideas, so I'll be coming out with more of those. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Please subscribe to my channel.